guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 1 on our Daniel fast, and before we get to the recipe, I'm going to share with you some of the Bible verses that I used and also a quote from one of the books that I read for my Daniel fast. Yes, so I made use of Daniel 1, Psalm 6, and Psalm 119. You can read and pray with the words. Okay, so let's read this quote from one of my favorites. Real hope is built on the solid rock of God's promises. All other kinds are sinking sand. Abraham in hope believed, being fully persuaded that God had power to do what he had promised. Romans 4:1 from Samuel Kwartin Pipim, Hope Through the Dark. Get it and you will love it. Okay, so let's get into today's recipe, and we are going to have some vegetables stir fry. Yes, and we are going to have that with herbal tea. As I said, you cannot drink green tea and those flat tummy teas, no, but you can go for herbal tea. Before then, please subscribe to my channel, like this video for me, leave a comment and click on the notification bell. So this is my herbal tea, and I have my hot water or warm water ready. So I'm going to add everything to the warm water, stir it together, then cover and set it aside, and then we'll move to our vegetable stir fry. So please do subscribe, like, and share this video for me. And so we're going to make use of potatoes, cabbage, bell pepper, half carrots, onion, and spring onions. The potato is sweet potato, and so I'm going to chop my vegetables or slice them into the size and shape that I want. We don't have a strict rule when it comes to slicing or cutting of the vegetables. Do it the way you want. Yes, so please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. So I'm slicing my potatoes. Yes, you can decide to chop it. And so please do well to like this video for me, leave a comment and share with others. And hey, when you try it, give me a thumbs up, okay, if you like it. So we have our coconut oil on fire, and we are frying the potatoes first. Yes. So that salt solution that I am using, because the salt is a stone type, so I usually make it into a solution for when I'm making stir fries. Yes. And then just a little bit of water to cook it, because I don't intend to fry the potatoes for it to be crunchy. Do you get it? Sure. Okay, so let's check on it, and I think it's a bit okay. So I'm adding my carrots to it, and then I'll also add the rest of the vegetables. I told you potato is also part of vegetables. And so you can Google, yam is also part of vegetables. So I'm adding my cabbage, bell pepper, and spring onions. The potato is ready, and so this is not going to be on fire for long, not at all. Yes. Okay, so this is okay. So you could see that the only spices that I added was salt. That was the only seasoning that I used. I didn't use any other, but you can use natural seasonings too, like black and white pepper. In my next recipe or other recipes, you will see those spices in there. So I'm going to serve myself. Yes, and my herbal tea is ready to be enjoyed. Yes, and so this is it for today. That is day 1 on our Daniel fast. Very simple and tasty, and this is satisfying because it was just one meal a day that I did. So I fasted from morning to evening, and then I ate this to break the fast. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. Have a blessed day.